want you to be here so you can see.
Tia, are you excited to ride the boat? Yes. How about you? What you can say?
I'm excited for the boat.
Cool. Good job. Very good.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard Coast Cruise. I'll be your captain today. For your safety, please remember to remain seated
What's
and
that?
keep your arms, legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes
Carabao.
inside the boat at all times. If you can hear me, can I get a big thumbs up?
Carabao.
Awesome. Now to start off our tour here on the left, we have Rocky the Water Buffalo. Rocky stands at 6 feet tall, weighs 350 pounds, and is made
Buffalo.
with 310,000 Lego bricks. Every morning
Buffalo.
before he leaves for work, he says, "Bye, son." Coming up on the right, just past these rocks, we have Bob and Gertrude, our favorite mama and papa tortoise, and all their little eggs. They've been waiting patiently for over 20 years for their eggs to hatch. I guess you could say they're not
What's that?
ready to come out
Turtle?
of their shells just yet.
Oh,
Now I
wow.
know turtles like to take things slow, but that seems a little
Yes.
excessive to me.
Good. Oh, look.
Yeah, I know, mommy. We'll go
What's
there.
in there? It's coming
On
there.
the right, we have one of our Lego construction workers, Lazy Pete, the green dragon. I guess you could say he's pretty lazy. It's like he doesn't even move at all. All he does is just lay there all
Oh,
day.
elephant.
Kisses
Right
to
there,
everyone.
elephant. Snake. Elephant. Good job. Oh, look at the duck.
Coming up, we have one of my good friends, Elsie the elephant. Elsie is 7 feet tall and is made with 282,000 Lego bricks. She loves to wave hello and goodbye. Everyone wave hello, Elsie. She's so excited to see everyone. She's basically speechless.
Yeah, what's that? Oh no, it's gonna fall. The bridge is about to fall.
We'll now be going on a world tour that our master builders have created for us. Our first stop will be here in London, England. Here in London, we have the Elizabeth Tower and the London Eye.
Oh,
Fun
yeah.
fact about the Elizabeth Tower is that the bell inside is called
Look.
Big Ben. Fun fact about our Elizabeth Tower is that the time is accurate 2 times a day.
Look, it's panda. Panda. Good. It's a panda.
We're now approaching the Lionsgate Bridge, where each of those lions up on top are constructed with 17,000 Lego bricks. And I'm not lying about that. This bridge goes by multiple names. One of those names is the Waffle Bridge. And if you don't get the joke, it probably just went right over your head. We've now arrived at the Taj Mahal in India. The real Taj Mahal was built in the 17th century, took 22,000 workers and 20 years to create. Ours didn't take quite as long and is made with 143,000 Lego bricks.
Look at it.
sailing out of India and headed to Paris, France with the Eiffel Tower. The real Eiffel Tower was built in 1889, stands 1,000 feet tall, and weighs 10,000 tons. Ours isn't quite so tall or heavy. It is 17 feet tall and is made with 117,000 Lego bricks. Legend says if you were to look from the very top of our tower, you're sure to get quite the Eiffel.
Wow, that's a real potato.
What's that?
I can call it.
What's that, Tia? What's
We're
that?
now making our way back to the United
Monkey,
States
good
with
job.
Mount Rushmore, where we have the faces of Presidents George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. All four faces combined use a total of 230,000 Lego bricks. Something special about our Mount Rushmore is how we actually have two hidden presidents. And if you look up on top, you'll see the bushes. We are now going to take this time to appreciate our beautiful Miniland USA, where we have New York, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and a few other cities with it. Our master builders worked very hard on this one and used over 60 million Lego bricks. So make sure you go and check it out if you haven't already.
Oh yeah, nice. It's a big building. Oh, good job.
We're now headed back under the Waffle Bridge to our last stop on our tour, the New England Harbor. This is a very active area. You never know what might happen on the shoreline.
Oh, nice. Very good job. Look right there.
Not to worry. Looks like nothing a little plastic surgery can't handle.
And look.
We've now
It's an
come to the end of our
octopus.
tour and are being greeted by our
Right there,
resident
octopus.
octopus band, where we have guest stars Paul McSharkney on guitar and Ringo Starfish on the clan. The
Right
entire
there,
band is constructed
octopus.
with 288,000 Lego bricks.
Right there. Wow.
Now it has been my absolute pleasure being your host